I know that Bob got bunny ears. Like I'm fishing with a bunch of benches. Bunch of rods. George, what are you guys doing? You're watching rods too. We're good.